half spider, all evil. And she's got spider legs, and often does this. You remember when I see what I do with my hand? Oh yeah, and she has venom and can spit spider webs. Next up is the cheetah. She's got 0 honesty and brings mischief wherever she goes. What a jerk. There we go. Next up, next wrestler is named. This wrestler is known as Steve. One of Buck Gazillion's right-hand men. He always assists him in battle and even lets him ride on his back. He's definitely trouble. I wish I would have seen him in the ring more, fighting against, well, Gary the intern. Got it. Next up, Bucks Gazillion. Yeah, his boss. He's all rich, powerful, a Thumb Wrestling Federation champion, and claims to be a star. He's got a lot of moolah when it comes to domination. He's got the latest state-of-the-art training equipment, lessons from a kung fu master, and a stunt double. And no, I'm not drawing the stunt double. Next fighter will be Queen Nefercreepy. And to be honest, don't really trust her in the ring. Even though she curses people. Especially, you think she knows the Hyundai? I hope not.
The war in Ukraine helping to pump up the already high gas prices, but as Americans struggle to top off their tanks, criminals are cashing
Why waste 100 nights testing a mattress? Head into your local ice.
Now we draw the panels here on his sides. Queen Nefercreepy is one scary lady. But don't worry, she was beaten by Face-Off Phil and Mr. Extremo. Next up, Scoutmaster Scott. They're like the boys. His Cookie Scouts are. He has a fleet of foot soldiers called the Cookie Scouts. They're like Boy Scouts, only evil. They've been known to shove old people into the streets and cause forest fire and vandalism. How'd this guy even become Scoutmaster anyway? I don't even want to know. He even forged George Washington's name. That idiot. You should never forge George Washington's name. I mean, seriously. He's a damn fool. There. Only 3 more sinestras to draw up. This next one is named Sick Vic. I don't know what kind of disease this guy has gotten, but boy, it's nasty. Well, he has a signature move. Well, he can give himself the chicken pox. He's got a bad case of the sniffles. And he can sneeze himself inside out. Gross! I wish I could see that more on Thumb Wrestling Federation. You think you can beat me with diet and exercise? Give me a break! Okay, forget I said diet. You think you can beat me with fists? He fights with a stuffed nose. That takes care of that. And the last 2 members are the Amoeba. This guy can shrink down to the size of an amoeba, and even swat you in the eyes, or at least swat you on the face without you seeing her in battle. That takes care of that. One more wrestler, and that's all. The Lost Viking. The sinestras found this warrior frozen in ice. And trust me, this guy, he didn't have a hard time fighting off against Mr. Extremo. And finished! We did it, guys! We drew all the sinestras! All of them are in one place. If you want to... I finally drew them all. If you want to find out more on what other thumb wrestlers you want me to draw next, leave a comment below on which one of them met. Very soon I'll start drawing them one at a time, just for you viewers. Anyway, I better sign off for now. I've got thumbnails to draw up. Get it? Thumb. And Tripperlicky, if you're getting this message, I hope you can accept me as one of your crew members. I want your Thumb Wrestling Federation series to keep evolving. And I hope you get to see my characters real soon. Anyways, that's all the time for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night!